And of course the jack is missing, placed with a Stella Artois beer bottle. Oh. Alright, well, just had some fun there. Maybe somewhere in the back, maybe. Let's check down this row. Another wonderful day at the junkyard, looking for two white Chevys, 88 to 94. I think they're somewhere in the back over there. I'll take a look. All right. I think they're down here. Oops, I can see one right there, white Chevy. Yep, this is the one here. Not in bad shape, the body's in pretty good shape. Chevy 2500. See what size of motor it's got in it. 6.5 liter, wow. Definitely 2500. A bunch of stuff in the back. Letters and stuff. I think it's definitely a work truck right here. Oh. Alright, let's take a look on the inside. Red seats. Tan interior. With the pocket in the middle there. Not bad. I think somebody already got to the heating and cooling controller. With the radio face here, it's in pretty good shape. The buttons seem to have some spring left on. Look at that. This truck has 367,000 before it took its final resting place. So, definitely got its life worth. No. Alright, I'm going to see if there are radios in there. And it looks like there's a radio back there. I can see the CDM, so I'm going to hide and get after it. Oh. Put that out of the way. And then we got 3 to 7 millimeters right there. We're going to try to get to. I brought my screw gun today. It's a 7 millimeter socket on it. There we go. And then it's the antenna. I'm also going to clip that because I'm going to use that assembly. Alright, there's the CDM that we have. The model number is 1617-2115. And there's the serial 332-5332. 5149. Then we got some crud on it. I'll have to clean up. Other than that, it looks pretty good. Pins don't look half bad. Alright. Next, we're gonna work on getting the. It's just a few 7 millimeters. 1, 2, 3. Okay. And there's a cable that feeds to the back that we need to feed up through here from the bottom. And there's that white cable again. There it is. This is this green cable. There you have it. And there's the face. One complete radio style. Thinking about taking that mid pocket. People like those. Could come in handy. Glove compartment, not the right color though. Dash on this one, pretty cracked up. Nothing exciting there. Like work truck seats. Yeah, it's got like a work bumper. Wasps all over it. Oh, check see if the jack is there. And of course the jack is missing. Placed with a Stella Artois beer bottle. Oh. Alright, well, is there anything else here that we would want? Tan, unfortunately. Except for the radio. No, we got it. Go search for the other Chevy. Well, you know, there's the other Chevy right there. So, our Chevy 2500, Cheyenne, over to this Chevy. The 1500. Oh my goodness, it's got blue interior. Lucky. It looks like it's got a work truck, has a white grill. Interesting. Single headlight. See what it has in it. Got a 4.3. Interesting. Sucker's got some rust on it, that's for sure. How many miles this has? Anyone want to take a wager? Bed cover in the back. Oh, I like that bumper. I think this was originally blue. I think it was. Look, you can kind of see the blue poking out right there. Alright. Oh, hard to open. Alright. So, definitely got an old faceplate here. Got some crumbling. With a cigarette lighter. It's a manual. Look at that. Missing the center there, but it does have a glove box cover. It's just disgusting. Wish that was in nicer shape. I mean, I wonder if I could clean that up. That could actually work for me. An interesting horn here. I'm not seeing that. It's just saying Chevrolet. It's got 192,000 miles on it. It's not that many. But also missing the heater control. Looks like the same guy. He just clipped this and left. Let's see, the radio is underneath. Yep, it's still intact. So, dash looks pretty decent. Notice no cracks at all. Not bad for a blue one. Say more of the more uncommon. But alright, let's get after the radio. CDM. Once again, 3 screws, 3 7s here. Here at the bottom. And then way in the back. There's the final one. There we go. Unhook the radio face. Yep. And then the top ones here. I'm just gonna clip. No one's gonna want those. I don't want them to test stuff. There we go. Serial model number. Model number is 16072780. And there's the serial 121268. Do we want this faceplate? I mean, It's not that great. Could replace mine with it. It's pretty much the same thing as mine. Buttons are a little roached. I don't know. Well, we could go for it and see what happens. I mean, we already got the other part, so. Alright, we got 1, 2, 3, and you got it, 4. Alright, let's feed the cable up from the bottom. Wait, no, it came out. Came out super easy. So, closer look at it. Yeah, we'll take it. Why not? Alright, let's see if we can. Let's take a closer look at that. I'm going to go over to the other side. There you go. Hey, the door actually opens half nice. Ooh, let's check to see if the jack is here. Jack never likes to be there. Hey, is it there? Some of it. This workbench seat. But let's take a look at this. So, this is the newer model, I can tell already. There's this newer part here. I wonder if we could clean this up. Let's see here. I think we could try to clean it up. It doesn't look damaged at all. Huh. Yeah, these hinges are better than the ones I have. The ones I have broke off right there, but it's like a separate piece. This is one big piece. It's hard plastic. I think we'll give it a go. Let's pop these guys off. Alright, and there we go. Alright, let's see if we can clean this puppy up. Some water and soap. Replace this with my old one. Alright guys, so we got a couple of radios today out of these two old white Chevys here. The 2500 there and then the 1500 here. And we got a blue glove box cover, which I'm excited about. Hopefully this washes up and I can put it in my truck. Been looking for one for a while. Once again, yeah, it's a pretty good day at the junkyard. Very hot here. I think I'm going to go home and crack open a nice cold Miller Lite. So, see ya. There's an old 3500. Been stripped pretty good. Yep, that's all the Chevys and GMCs that I'm looking for. It was a good day at the yard.